How to fix Instagram limited problem easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple and easy, so please keep watching until the end and the problem is gonna be fixed 100%. First thing you have to do is open this settings page on your Android phone and then go to the apps and then go to apps again, and it will show you this page right here. You will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram, click on storage, click on clear data, and then go back. Now all what you have to do is click on this app details option, and it will take you directly to this Google Play page. Now click here on update to update your Instagram if you don't have the latest version. So yeah, after you update it, now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed 100%. So don't forget to like, subscribe.